What is up, everyone? Welcome back to your daily stimulus check news. The topic of today's video is your fourth stimulus check update. Not only that, but also your social security date stimulus check update. When will you actually receive your social security check, guys? Your social security payment. Basically, if we take a look at the very first article, third stimulus check live updates. Is there a fourth stimulus check payment coming? And expected dates for actually social security plus payment tracker. If you take a look at the headlines, latest payments run a total distributed to over 130 million people, says the IRS. Not only that, if we take a look right here, Social Security recipients will get their direct payments by Wednesday 7th. So if you haven't already received the Social Security check, guys, it will actually be in your bank account. It should already be pending, according to my source, in your bank accounts today, guys, Monday the 5th. Starting yesterday, guys, Sunday, or today, Monday, according to my source, your bank account should say pending for Wednesday, April 7th. And if we take a look right here, guys, as I've been saying since a week ago, Democrats in Congress are calling on President Biden to embrace reoccurring fourth stimulus checks every single month. Then we have the second article right here, stimulus check update. New Jersey residents want the fourth stimulus payment from Biden, according to polls, guys. Basically, in the state of New Jersey, guys, they actually polled and asked a bunch of people, do you actually support a fourth stimulus check? Right here, 6 in 10 New Jersey support President Joe Biden's $1.9 trillion stimulus check payment, guys. But right here, 60% of the adults say they want another fourth stimulus check, and 80% said they don't care if it's a one-time payment or a reoccurring. But again, 60% believe. I thought it'd be a lot more. So let me know in the comments right now, do you guys support and do you think we need another fourth stimulus check? Please comment below. Let me know, yes, I actually support a fourth stimulus. And then comment right below that, guys, do you think it should be a one-time check or reoccurring monthly stimulus checks? Now, I understand both sides. I see both arguments. People are saying it's deflating the dollar, it's making our currency useless. But some people are saying, how come many other countries, Canada, France, Italy, just a bunch of other places have actually been giving monthly stimulus payments to their citizens? Other country, America is the best country on earth, and I genuinely believe that from the bottom of my heart. But answer me this, how come many other countries were able to give their citizens during this time of need, guys, this unprecedented occurrence, how come they were able to actually receive and collect monthly stimulus check, and Americans, guys, hardworking Americans, have not? And finally, the last article right here, will your city get $100 stimulus per person or $1,000? If you didn't know, many states are actually including their own stimulus check, their own money for, people that reside in their state. Well, you guys have to keep an eye on this. You have to check right here. Not all Americans are getting a $1,400. Some are getting 19, some are getting, more, some are getting less, while 95% of people are getting nearly $100, guys. What does this mean? Depending on where you live, depending on what state you're in. For example, 5 Michigan cities are projected to actually give $1,000 per person in stimulus funding. What does this mean, guys? Depending on where you live, here's a quick chart right here. There's a bunch of charts, but depending on where you live is actually how much you could receive per person. Let's zoom in right here. As you can see, Detroit, 1,300, Santa Clara right here, 1,100. We have Bento Harbor, Flint, guys. Depending on Jackson right here, Bay City. Depending on where you live, you're looking to actually receive an additional stimulus check depending on state. So I'll definitely go more in depth on this. Again, I'm not going to go every single one, but if you want to look this up, there's 151 pages. And depending on where you live, again, you can actually expect to receive, like I've been saying over a week ago, additional stimulus check funding. So again, guys, I want to take 2 seconds out this video. I want to let you know I post daily videos every single day, minimum 1 video, if not 2 videos every single day. Not only that, but in every single video, I give away free Amazon gift cards. If you want a chance to enter the free Amazon gift card giveaway for free, all you have to do is hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and comment below. Any comment will actually enter you in the giveaway. I personally recommend letting me know, do you guys support or do you not support a fourth stimulus check? Like I said, every single day, daily videos, enter the giveaway, hit that like, hit that subscribe, comment. When this video hits 500 likes, I'll be picking the winner in my next video. And real quick, if you want to support me for 99 cents, hit this white join button. It literally costs less than $1. As a member, you get a bunch of cool perks. And the best part of all, guys, all the money goes to charity, goes to someone else in need. So again, if you do hit this white join button, you become a member. As a member, you get a bunch of cool perks. One perk is you get a diamond next to your name that changes colors. The second perk is you get members only exclusive emojis. The third perk is you get members only exclusive community tab. Community tab is for members only. You get pictures, polls, live stream, giveaways. Every single video, if you see people talking, those are the members. You get a diamond next to your name. You get to ask me questions live every single morning. You interact with me. I answer questions. I do giveaways. I do live stream 1 hour, 2 hour. I literally talk with you guys, interact with you guys, give away 5, 10 Amazon gift cards every single live stream. Not only that, some people said I prefer using a Patreon. So again, if you want to use Patreon, I do have a link in the description. Hit the Patreon link, click the join for $1. Regardless if you want to do Patreon or if you want to do right here YouTube join, whatever way you want to support me, it only costs 99 cents. All the money goes to someone else in need. And if you actually check your bank account, if you check your social security, if you actually receive your stimulus check, I do have a clothing line store. If you want to check that out, link will be in the description. All the shirts are $19.99. All the shirts are 100% cotton. I just made a new shirt right here, guys. Mitch sucks. As you can see, I made a cartoon Mitch and I put this. Like I said, $19.99, 100% cotton, guys. The best right here, 100%, and a very good quality design, as you see the print. And not only that, I also included a discount code. So if you guys want to support me, again, all the money goes for someone else in need. Enter the giveaway, guys. I literally want to be Mr. Beast 2.0. I want to give away as much money to as many people as possible. Hit that like, be subscribed, comment, daily videos. That's it for today, everyone. Have a great day. Peace.